This is Marjorie, and I'm putting together a vocal toolbox for my son Jordy to take on tour, and I thought you might like to see what he's taking along with him. So, personal humidifier, packets there, one vocal trainer. I highly recommend. I'm going to teach you how to use that. I'm going to teach Jordy how to use that, and I will show. Have a singing straw. Jordy, I put along just some regular straws too, just to remind him that a straw is such a great way to warm up your voice and rehab your voice. See, bag of lozenges, some notes from Mom. I'll show you a shot of this when I get it all put in there neatly, but I hope Jordy has a great tour, and you let me know if you would like to put together a vocal toolkit, and I'll tell you what all these goodies are. I'll send you a little link. Have a great day.
Some of you know, some of you don't know, but my mom is an epic vocal coach, like genuinely actually very good. I wish I had listened to her more. And she made me a tour care package. Let's see what's in it. A road case, easy to transport, durable. We have some very sweet, encouraging notes from Mom. You're gonna be so great out there. You are a great singer. I love you. They are gonna love you. You're gonna kill it. Love that. You're an amazing person. These are gonna come in handy. Throat coat tea. We got some throat coat lozenges, also great. Oh, these are great. These are warm-up singing straws. Do your warm-ups. It focuses the amount of air that's like going through, and it's like a great way to like vibrate your vocal cords. Oh, very sweet. We have vocal humidifier. So get a little bit of that before you go on. Keeps your vocal cords very hydrated. And we got some Airborne vitamin C, very important. It is so easy to get sick on tour. In fact, it usually happens. So fighting against getting sick on tour is probably the best thing you can do for your voice. And we got some immune support, Propolis. Good stuff. Right here, it looks like we've got another like vocal warm up focusing thing. I'm gonna have to ask Mom about this. I think that's what this is. Could be a dog whistle, who knows? Max? I don't think it's a dog whistle. Thanks, Mom, for my vocal care tour kit. This is gonna be great. I feel very loved. It's very sweet. Go check out my mom's page if you want advice on how to sing really well. She is the best vocal coach in the universe, honestly. She's really that great.